Hello guys, this is Anjali Jaiswal. I hope you all are doing well. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you all those little things by which you can create an absolute positive environment around the area you are living in and also in your brain. So, first one is practice positivity. You can place all the negative thoughts with a positive one. And second one is exercise. It can release the stress hormones and boost up your mental health. Third one is stay hydrated, and in this thing, you can drink as much water you can drink, and also a healthy diet in which you can eat all the healthy food so that you can get all the nutrients your body needs, and avoid junk foods and replace it with fresh leafy vegetables, fruit salad, juices, cereals, oats, and dry fruits. So basically, all the vitamin and protein rich food and fibrous food you can prefer. Now, our next point is meditation. This is really very effective. And sixth one is spend at least 1 hour alone with yourself every day, in which you talk to yourself, and it can help you to develop who you are and your sense of self, and what your true interests are. So plan out something that you know that you will enjoy doing, and maybe something that helps you feel more productive or helps you be more relaxed. Next one is let go of things. Now, this one is really hard, but once you do it, you will be feeling like awesome. So, just let go of things that no longer serve you in a better mood. That might be a toxic relation, or maybe a bad memory from your past, and or anything which is dragging you down. And just remember, if something is dragging you down into a negative energy, let it go or just cut it off from your life and release it out of your body and brain. Just you can try some meditation or yoga for this also. And one more thing is, you can get some plants maybe near your living room. Also, make sure your living room is ventilated and also sunlight can enter the room. It will be resulting in the positive environment surrounding yourself. And ninth one is a smile. Passing the smile when you see someone who lives near your home, or you barely know them, or you just know them because you see them every morning when you go for a walk. Just pass this smile. It will be resulting in reflection of good mood. Next one is try essential oils. Have you ever heard about aromatherapy? If you have not, then just search it. And by using aromatic diffusers and adding essential oils into them, they can naturally boost your energy at work and also help fight off stress and anxiety. So if you are just getting started to this, you can try peppermint oil and lemon oil or rosemary oil. These oils are great for improving focus and mood. Now, get a proper sleep. A proper sleep is very important. For that, you can make a good sleeping environment, and you can also try listening sleep music or relaxing music in your bedtime. Also, make your bedroom very neat and clean for making a healthy sleepy environment. Next one is make new friends. Meeting up new people will introduce you to new outlooks and different points of views. You will have people to lean on when you need them, and that's never a bad thing. And one more thing is, you can compliment yourself. This is really very important and effective thing. When you see the mirror, take a moment to cherish yourself for who you are, and you will see the positive results when you think this way. Now, once in a week, you go for some services like body massage. It can release all the stress and anxiety and reducing fears, and this is one of the therapy to cure many diseases. So you can search it on, and give yourself one more thing is, and you can also try different look and facial massage, or you can also try some beauty tips for your facial skin. So when you see ourselves looking good, it really helps to build up more confidence, and which can boost up your mental health. Next one is listen to a upbeat music. Just opposite of that, when you're feeling really sad and feeling really low, and you want to listen only the sad one, if you will play the upbeat music instead of playing the sad ones, you will catch up that energy and lift up your mood from a sad to a happy one. Think what went well instead of thinking whatever is not going well, and try to find solutions. Do not overthink the problems. I hope this video might be helpful for all of you guys, and thank you for watching this video. Stay healthy, stay strong, and practice positive living. And if you like this video, press on like button, and you can also subscribe. Anjali Jaiswal from Indore.